Good day, employers. I am Sunny T. Aresta, residing here in Philippines. I am 36 years of age. I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. My son is 7 years old. My son is 12 years old, and my daughter is 7 years old. I have been experiencing as a nanny before in Makati City here in Philippines for almost a 1 year. I serve 5 family members with 2 kids, a 5 years old girl and 17 years old boy. As the duties I have rendered to them, I can wash, I can cook, I can clean the house and do the marketing also. My characteristic is trustworthy, honest, and cheerful also. I am also organized with things that I can see, or I don't want anything that is not good to see in the house. So I also do cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of children. I hope you can choose me as your housemate in the next future. Thank you and God bless.